today I'm going to be planning out July in my new Erin Condren Daily Duo. Super excited to be moving into this planner, and I'm going to be using RONGRONG's Rainbow Girls, and this is a new sticker book that she just released. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do have a detailed flip through of this in another video, along with the detailed look at all of the PET tapes that come in this box set. So pretty. July is kind of one of those months for me that honestly, it's not my favorite month. So because of that, I wanted to bring in some really fun, cheerful colors to get me through the month, so that way when I open up my planner, it's gonna just bring me some joy. So I thought yellow was going to be perfect for this, and then I thought, well, I'll bring in maybe some purple and green. So not quite sure how I'm going to bring this together, but I do know the flowers I want to bring in here are from the yellow collection because they are so pretty and just really make me happy. All right, so now I need to decide what stickers I want to use. Am I going to be using the PET tape, or will I be using the stickers from the sticker book? Now, the stickers that you see on the sticker sheet there, those are the PET stickers. So I decide that that's going to be the better option just because I have more of those to use the way that I want to. I want to add these florals and have them kind of like bordering the top of the page here. So I like the sticker to be bumped right up against the edge of the page, but the PET stickers do have like a little clear trim around them. So generally I like to cut that off before I lay the sticker down. It just makes it a little bit easier as opposed to laying the sticker down and then having to trim it once it's already on the page. Now there are two different bouquets here that I have. One's a little bit larger and one is a little bit smaller. And I decide I definitely like the larger one better. So I grab two of those and I balance them across the top of the monthly here. All right, now I want to bring in this girl. I absolutely love her. She's super cute. And I generally don't like to put decorative stickers on dates. I like to usually just decorate the perimeters of my monthly, but I figure, you know what, if I put this one like on the edge, I think it'll be okay. And here I am trying to decide what colors I want to also bring in. So she is going on the edge here, and I still have a little bit of room, and I don't mind covering up a couple of Sundays there. And then I'm trying to figure out where I want to place these other girls. So I really like both of them, and I want to bring both of them in here because I do want to bring in the green. And I decided on the green. So now I'm trying to figure out, well, where am I going to place her? And I really like this placement here. It kind of works out because the 4th is a holiday. Don't have much going on that day, spending it with family. And so I figure this is a really good spot to put her down here. But now I need to have a balance. So now I'm looking for another girl in green, which is what I'm looking for right here. I like her. And again, it gets a little tricky finding places to put the girls when I'm dealing with like the calendar pages, because I don't like to put decorative stickers on there until I like put my plans down, and then I'll usually add like smaller decorative stickers. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something a little bit different for this month and see how I like it. I'm really loving the way that this is coming together. I like that I decided to go with the combination of the yellow and the green. I decided to skip using the purple in here. So now I'm going to bring in some of these big green, like tropical leaves from the PET tape, and I'm going to kind of like mix them here with these yellow florals. So I start like adding in these big tropical leaves in the corners of the pages here. So I'm cutting out the green leaves that are attached to the yellow flowers. That way I can go ahead and add in these tropical leaves. And I really like the way that this is coming together. And I just decided to use the back of my hand to just pretty much house all of the stickers and all of the little bits and pieces. And I will go ahead and I'll use all those little bits and pieces, and you'll see that happening. All right, now the yellow has some lemons in here. So I definitely wanted to bring those in and just kind of like squeeze them in here. Uh, yeah, no pun intended there, but squeeze the lemons in here with these tropical leaves. And I think that that looks really cute. All right, now it's time for me to go ahead and add some decorative elements here at the bottom because I like it to be framed at the top and the bottom. I think it just looks really pretty on the monthly. So now I'm going back to those smaller bouquets that I had looked at earlier. So I was able to bring those in at the bottom there. All right, now I need to kind of create the same type of mix that I have at the top where I'm bringing in those tropical leaves from the green PET collection. I tried to keep it with like the same, just solid green, but I kind of liked the little leaves here as opposed to bigger, darker leaves. So some of these do have like really light little pink mixed in here, but it's not that big of a deal. I really like the way it actually turns out. Usually I'm really particular and try not to mix in any other colors, especially if I'm going for a spread with just like two colors. All right, now I'm just filling in some of these little greenery that I have here, those little leaves that I had cut off from the top, and I'm just adding them throughout the month here, kind of just like pull everything together. Okay, time to bring in this quote. I love this quote. Green is harmony, health, growth, prosperity. I thought that that was perfect for this month, giving me some really good affirmations there to get through the month. And I do realize that I laid that crooked, didn't I? That little yellow flower underneath the quote, but I don't realize it and I don't go back and fix it, but I'm seeing it right now, which is kind of funny, but that's the way it goes sometimes, right? All right, now I want to bring in some more flowers here just to kind of like fill in this sidebar because I don't use the sidebar on my monthly layout, only the calendar itself. And now I'm just grabbing some lemons and some extra little flowers and elements here to bring in around the spread. Okay, so now it's time for me to add in some colorful boxes. I only like to use colorful boxes for very specific things in the month. Like if there's a specific occasion or a holiday, a birthday, like a family birthday, just something to highlight those days. I have a lot going on in a month's time, so I do not use boxes for everything that I have going on. I do like to use the highlighters, as you see me adding some highlighting in there, and I will continue to do that. And then here I forgot that I have something that I want to use a box for, so I'm adding that box in there. And now I'm just going to be using these highlighters, my mild liners, to kind of add little dots for all of the things that I need to fill in. I am filling out some of the main things here, but I will fill out everything else that coordinates with all of the dots that I'm adding in here. And I'll do that off camera because that is private, so I don't like to share all of that, which I'm sure you understand. As I fill out this monthly, I do refer to my digital device. So I will look at my iPad or my phone and I will fill out my planner pages based on what I have going on in there. I really use both digital and paper planning when I am planning things out. All right, here it is. I love the way this came together with the yellow and green PET tape. And that is from Rongrong's Rainbow Girls collection. Here is the box with 9 colors in there. There's the Rainbow Girls sticker book, which of course has all of the colors. And then I also use boxes from the Rainbow like box sticker book that she has, along with, of course, my mild liners to add in like all of the things that I have going on, which of course I will do that off screen. I really love the way that this turned out. It's so pretty, it's bright, it's cheerful. It's exactly what I want for this month, exactly like what I need, and I'm just really, really happy with the way that it turned out. Now, I am an affiliate of RONGRONG, so if you do decide to pick up anything from her Rainbows collection, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. You will find that down below, and it will save you 10% automatically. Thank you so much to those of you that have already used it, and thank you for thinking about using it on your next purchase. Remember, if you like this video, to give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe here, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. Drop me a comment, let me know what 2 colors would you like to see me plan in next. And if you watch this all the way through till the end, leave me a yellow or green emoji. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.